Okay students, so now let us start exercise 2.1. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು 2.1 ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. These 2 problems you can solve on your own on the basis of solved examples in the previous class. Clear? So that's why previously I said please watch all my 4 previous videos so that the concepts will be very clear and you are going to solve problems very easily. So don't miss the part 4 which is my previous video. In that I have solved the solved examples of your NCERT textbook. If you are perfect with those solved examples, this exercise problems will be very simple. Clear? One more thing, please pause this video and please pause the video and try to solve on your own. After solving, you can play the video and you can check your answer if you know the concept of the previous class. Clear? You do that method so that you can get the more clarity. Clear? So please pause the video and try on your own, play the video and check your answers. Okay, so let us solve the first one. Solution of 1. Okay, what they are telling, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find x and y. Okay, here these are the 2 order pairs. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಆ 2 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವೆನ್ 2 ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, when the corresponding elements of the order pair are same. Clear? Then only we can say that 2 order pair are equal. So to find x and y, what we have to write here, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. Clear? So x by 3 equals 5 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM and simplify. It will be 2 by 3. So x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, if you simplify, you are going to get x equal to 2. You can make cross multiplication or you can make x by 3, 3 into 2, 6. So 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. Or you can cancel 3 and 3, no problem. Anyways, however you solve, your answer will be what? X equal to 2. Because, see this, implies x by 3 equal to 2 by 3. So cancel 3 and 3. So x will be equal to 2. Okay. So if x equal to 2, now let us find y value. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Clear? You take minus 2 by 3 on that side, it will be plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 will be equal to 1. Clear? You take minus 2 by 3 on this side, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 3 by 3. So that is nothing but y equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution for your first question. Okay. Okay, it was a very simple problem. No worries. Let us go for the second problem. Okay, see the second one. That is, set A has 3 elements and set B has 3, 4, 5. Then find A cross B, they are telling. Clear? Set A has 3 elements and set B equal to 3, 4, 5. Then find A cross B. Okay. So if set A has 3 elements, set B has 3 elements, then how many elements are going to be in A cross B? See the remarks. In that I have explained n of A cross B is equal to n of A into n of B. You use that formula, you will get the answer, that is 9 elements or 9 order pairs. Okay. So that is n of A cross B equal to n of A multiplied with n of B. So So n of a has 3 elements multiplied with, in B you have 1, 2, 3 elements. Total you are going to get 9 elements. That is, therefore A cross B has 9 elements. Clear? Very simple. You see the remarks which I have explained in the previous class. There I have written the formula for n of a cross b. N of a cross b equal to n of a into n of b. If you don't remember, now you remember this formula. If you want to find the number of elements in a cross b, you have to make the multiplication of number of elements in a. How much? 3. Again, number of elements in b. Here also 3 elements. Clear? So 3 into 3 it will be 9. That is 9 elements in a cross b. Okay? Let us go for the next problems. Okay students, now let us solve the third problem. If g equal to 7, 8 and h is equal to 5, 4, 2 are the two sets, find g cross h and h cross g. That means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, g cross h and h cross g. ಸೊ ಅವೆರಡು ಕಾರ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. But before solving, pause the video and try it on your own. Clear? After solving on your own, you play the video and check your answers are correct or not. Okay? So first I will solve g cross h. What is the first element? 7. So 7 comma, all these 5 elements has to be written one by one. So that is, first order pair is 7 comma 5, second order pair is 7 comma 4, third order pair is 7 comma 2. Clear? Next 8 comma 5, 8 comma 4, 8 comma 2. Okay, so 7 and 8 are over, so our order pairs are also over. Clear? In g cross h. Now let us solve h cross g. Okay? In h cross g, the first set will be h, the second set will be g. You have to solve h cross g. So that is, set of first element will be what? Will be 5. So 5 relates 7, that is 5 comma 7. Next 5 comma 8. Clear? Here you will get these two order pairs with 5 comma 7 and 5 comma 8. There is no next element, so these two order pairs are over. After 5 you have 4, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8. Clear? Next 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8. Clear? So h cross g is also over. Now only this much they have asked, but homework for this continuation is h cross g is equal to g cross h or not. That means you have to do homework. One thing, you have to find h cross g is equal to g cross h or not. Clear? That means your question is this: is h cross g equal to g cross h? You have to tell either yes or no. If no is your answer, you have to write the reason why it is no. If yes is your answer, you have to write reason why it is S. That means homework problem is h cross g equal to g cross h question mark with reason. You have to mention the reason. If it is yes, why? That is reason. If it is no, then why? What is the reason? Clear? So the correct reason with correct answer will get you the conclusion of this particular question. Okay? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಚ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಜಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಈ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡೂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? I will move to the next. Okay students, so now let us see the fourth question. What is fourth question? State whether each of the following are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. That means here they are asking the statement is true or false. If it is false, write the correct statement. Clear? That means see the first statement, P equal to set of m comma n, Q equal to set of n comma m, then P cross Q they have written. Now what we have to do, we have to check it is true or false. If it is true, no problem. If it is false, you have to rewrite it. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೂನಾ ಫಾಲ್ಸಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. ಪಿ ಎಮ್ ಕಾಮ ಎನ್, ಕ್ಯೂ ಎನ್ ಕಾಮ ಎಮ್, ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಕಾಮ ಎನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ ಕಾಮ ಎಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ false. Why it is false? Set P has two elements, set Q has two elements, P cross Q must have four elements. That means number of elements in P multiplied with number of elements in Q is equal to 4. But P cross Q has only two elements. That means it is false. Clear? So if it is false, we should write the statement in the true form. Okay, so that's why P cross Q is equal to m cross n, that is m comma n, m comma m, next n comma n, n comma m. This is the true of P cross Q. Clear? So the statement is false and the correct statement is rewritten as P cross Q equal to m comma n, m comma m, n comma n, n comma m. So it has four elements, therefore it is this, the given statement is false and this is the correct of P cross Q. Okay, so P cross Q na ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪಿದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಕ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 ಮತ್ತು 2 ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಪಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us go for the second statement. Clear? Okay students, now let us see the second statement. Clear? The first statement was false, so we have rewritten it, no problem. Now let us go for the second statement. What is second statement? If A and B are non-empty sets, if A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is non-empty set. Okay, this is correct. ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ ಸಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. It is the definition of Cartesian product. Therefore, the statement is true. Clear? Clear definition of Cartesian product. Clear? So that's why the definition written here is true. The statement given here it is true. So no problem. Okay. Why it is true? Because it is the definition of Cartesian product. Clear and cut statement of Cartesian product. Suppose in A and B, if any of the set is empty, please remember, in A and B, if any one of the set is empty, then A cross B is also empty. Please remember this. Sometimes they can ask in competitive exam. Okay. Here A and B are non-empty. That's why A cross B is non-empty. Therefore, X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. This is all the definition of Cartesian product. Okay. They are telling that the collection of order pairs X comma Y, where X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. No problem. This is the definition of Cartesian product. It is a true statement. Clear? So, but the same statement here, if I remove non-empty, here also I must remove non-empty. Because if this is empty, A and B, any one of the set of A and B is empty, then A cross B will be also empty. Please remember that. Okay, just for knowledge. Okay. So this is a clear cut of what? Cartesian product. So therefore it's a Cartesian product definition. So that's why no problem. The statement is true. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the third statement. First let us check it is true or false. Clear? If A equal to 1, 2, B equal to 3, 4. A and B are the two given sets with two elements. Then A cross B intersection empty is equal to empty. They are telling. Okay. So first we have to have a clear idea of what is B intersection empty. That means they are asking the common elements of B and empty set. So what is empty set? Which has no elements. If it has no elements, then how can it give the common elements with B? Very logical thing. Empty set means it has no elements. If in that set there are no elements, then can it produce the common elements with any another set? It cannot produce common element with any another set because it's already empty. So clearly B intersection empty will be empty. So empty cross A will gives you empty. Are you clear? So that's why if here this becomes empty set, if I make cross product with A, any cross product with empty set will be always empty. Therefore it is true statement. Clear? But you must have a clear idea of B intersection empty. B intersection empty is empty, hence empty cross A will be empty. That's why the statement is true. Clear? A very simple example, no problem. Let us move to the next question. Okay students, so now the sixth question is find A cross B, if A cross B equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, find set A and set B. Here you must know the definition of Cartesian product. Already in true or false statement there was a Cartesian product definition. You just rewind the video and see there. If A and B are the two non-empty sets, A cross B is non-empty such that the order pairs X comma Y, where X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. That means first elements belongs to A, second elements belongs to B. Are you getting my point? In A cross B. This is what your Cartesian product definition tells. In Cartesian product definition, A cross B is such arrangement that the order pairs, in the order pairs, first element will be from the set A, second element will be from the set B. So first element is from A, second element is from B. Therefore, this order pairs are going to exist in Cartesian product. Clear? So here they have given one Cartesian product. First element will be from which set? First set, that is A. So therefore A will be equal to set A. Here also there is A, no problem. B. So set A has A comma B. Next, set B has the second elements of the order pairs. What are the second elements? X, comma, Y. So these are the two sets A and B. Nothing. You must know the definition of Cartesian product. If you know the definition of Cartesian product, clearly you can understand how to write A and B. Clear? Very simple example. I think you all have understood this. So I will go for the next question. Okay, friends. Now let us move to 7th question. That is, let A equal to set of 1, 2, B equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, C equal to set of 5, 6, and D equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, and the second one is A cross C is a subset of B cross D. These two things you have to verify. First, let us solve the first one. Clear? That is A cross B intersection C. Clear? So for solving this, first let us find B intersection C. And that means the common elements of B intersection C. The common elements of B and C. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? B ಮತ್ತೆ C ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ common elements ಅನ್ನು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Clear? So B intersection C gives you the common elements of B and the common elements of B with C. Clear? So B has 1, 2, 3, 4. C has 5, 6. Clearly B and C has no common elements. Therefore B intersection C is empty. B intersection C is empty. That is A cross B intersection C will be also equal to empty set. Clear? Because if B intersection C becomes empty, then A cross empty set will be also empty set. Clear? This is our LHS. Right? This is our LHS. Now let us find RHS. First, let us find A cross B. So A cross B equal to elements from A cross with B. What you are going to get? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Clear? Next you are going to have 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 over. So this is A cross B. Let us find A cross C. A cross C. So A cross C. Clear? A cross C means 1, 5. Next 1, 6. 2, 5. 2, 6. Clear? So therefore A cross B you have calculated, A cross C you have calculated. Intersection means common elements from A cross B with A cross C. Clearly you don't have any common elements. That means you don't have any common order pairs in A cross C with A cross B. Therefore see here, therefore A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, because A cross B intersection with A cross C is equal to empty set. Clear? Because there is no any common elements between A cross C and A cross B. For that reason, A cross C intersection A cross B becomes an empty set, already our LHS is also empty, hence LHS is equal to RHS, that is therefore A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Clear, students? So very beautiful example. I think you all have understood this. Before understanding this, you must know B intersection C means the common elements of B and C. There are no common elements between B and C. Therefore, this is empty. A cross empty set will be empty set. LHS is over. Now find RHS, that is A cross B. Find A cross C. Check, are there any elements common between A cross B and A cross C? There are no common elements, hence it is also empty. LHS is already empty. RHS is showing as empty. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, students. So now let us go for B cross D, because for the second one what they are asking, A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So you want to show that A cross C is a subset of B cross D is or not. You have to calculate. Clear? That means already you have calculated A cross C. Now you have to calculate B cross D. Then you have to check the relation of subset. Clear? Already A cross C is solved. Now I will solve B cross D. Next, let us check, is A cross C going to be a subset of B cross D or not? Okay. So I will calculate B cross D. First element is 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. Next, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. And the fourth one will be 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Clear? So see here, this is your B cross D. This is your A cross C. Now what you have to check, A cross C is a subset of B cross D or not, you have to check. So to check that, every element of A cross C must be in B cross D. Then A cross C will be a subset of B cross D. Please remember, every element of A cross C must be in B cross D. Then A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Clear? Okay. 1, 5. Here you have 1, 5. 1, 6. Here you have 1, 6. 2, 5. Here you have 2, 5. 2, 6. Here you have 2, 6. That means each and every element of A cross C is present in B cross D. Therefore, what is our conclusion? A cross C is subset of B cross D. Clear? Okay. Hence A cross C is subset of B cross D. You can write it as A cross C is a subset of B cross D. You can write like this also, because this is subset notation, or you can write this also, no problem, because each and every element of A cross C is present in B cross D, hence A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Clear? So very simple example. You have any doubts? If you have any doubts, as we have our own format of asking through the message, or you can come to college and you can ask the questions and you can clear your doubts. Clear? Okay.